Hey there guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing X-Doria Raptic cases for iPhone 12 mini. We're also doing a giveaway of these cases, so stay tuned till the end of the video to know more. Now you can buy these online on Amazon or directly from its official seller's website, techitech.com. These are the boxes. Now let's open them one by one. This is Clearvue case by X-Doria and it is available at 899 rupees in clear color. This is a clear transparent case and it says X-Doria on the back. Next, this is a glass plus case. You can just flip this cover open to see the case through this transparent cover, and on the lid there is some information about the case. Now we have to cut open the seal on the side to get the case out. Now this one is priced at 1299 rupees. Now it has a sticker on it saying please peel off this mask before application. This is transparent and has glass back. Next, this is clear case. This is priced at 1699 rupees and it comes in clear white and smoke colors. We have the clear white color. It is a transparent rubber case. Next, this is engaged folio case. This is priced at 1999 rupees and comes in black color. It is a folding case, it has transparent back and it has a leather kind of casing on the front. There's a latch and it locks on the magnet on the back panel. On the front, there's a cutout on top for earpiece. Next, this is shield case. This is priced at 2499 rupees and it comes in iridescent red, black, red and space grey colors. We have the iridescent color. It has transparent middle and the corner borders are all in bluish pinkish combination, and on the inside it has grey color and it says Raptic Shield. Next, this one is Lux case. It is priced at 2999 rupees and it comes in grey carbon fiber color. Now this has carbon fiber texture on the back and on the inside it has grey color with some lines kind of pattern going on. Next, this is Air case. It is priced at 2999 rupees and it comes in clear silver and smoke space grey colors. We have the smoke space grey one. Now this is transparent, but it is in smoke space grey color, so it won't show the phone's color properly. Next, we will try on these cases. This is the X-Doria Clearvue case. Now this is how the phone looks with the case on. The overall fit is good and you can easily pop in and pop out your phone into these cases. This one has corner bumper protection, so it is better than your regular rubber case. Now this one is glass plus case. This has tempered glass on the back, so it gets less scratches than a plastic case, and the rubber bumper absorbs shocks and provides a better grip. Next, this is clear case. It has drop shield protection, that's a layer to absorb shock, and the corner bumpers for extra protection. Its clear rubber is premium and it resists scratches and yellowing. Next, this is engaged folio case. It has hard polycarbonate case for the back and it has anti-scratch coating, and it is clear so you can see the phone's beauty. The leather-like front cover protects the screen and you can also store a card or two inside the cover. And this magnetic latch secures the cover. Overall, it protects the phone really well. Next, this is shield case. It has clear polycarbonate back. It is military grade machined metal protective case. The metal might be in the frame. It is tested to survive 10 feet or 3 meters drop into concrete. And the interior air pockets absorb shock. Overall, it is great for protection. Next, this is Lux case. It is reinforced by machined aluminium alloy that helps provide incredible strength and protection in a lightweight form. This back is luxurious and feels great in hand. It is tested to survive 10 feet or 3 meters drop into concrete, and the interior air pockets absorb shock, just like the previous case. This one also gives great protection. Finally, we have the Air case. Now it is also reinforced by machined aluminium alloy that helps provide incredible strength and protection in a very lightweight form. The clear rubber exterior is pretty premium and it resists scratches and yellowing. This is tested to survive 13 feet or 4 meters drop into concrete, and its flexible rubber interior cushions your device. Overall, this is the best case from them that you can get that will give you the most protection, and it is also the most expensive one. All these cases support wireless charging. I am only showing with one case, but I tested on all of them and they work. So guys, if you're looking for all-round protection and a great case for your iPhone 12 mini, you can definitely go with these cases. By the way, if you're planning to buy this case and you're looking for the best deal, you can buy it on techitech website where you can always get a 7% discount if you buy anything over 750 rupees. You can even get a 10% discount by following their social handles. Now about the giveaway, just open the link in the description, subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and on Twitter, and do the rest of the actions to participate in the giveaway. We'll be giving away 6 of these cases. We'll pick the winner soon and post the results on Twitter. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you're planning to buy these, use the links in the description. It always helps the channel. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.